Dear students, how are you everyone? I think all are well. Before starting my class, I would like to introduce myself. I am Milon Kumar Sarkar, teacher Alfadanga Arifujon Government High School, Alfadanga Faridpur. In my class, dear students, I would like to welcome all of you. Dear students, let's start. You can see a Bengali word on the screen, dear students. What is it? Khawa. Can you tell me, anyone, what is the English verb word of it? Yes, dear students, you are right. That is it. But, dear students, this word khawa, do you tell me, can we tell like that? Ami khawa? I think you are laughing. Okay. So dear students, the another one, if we use khawa, this word with the subject that is tumi, and then what will be? Tumi khawa? Oh, in the same way, I think you are laughing. And then the last one, that is shekhawa. Okay, the same case. Also, you are. I'm not kidding with you, dear students. I would like to tell you the fact. Here we can see when we use ami, in the meantime the verb word changes like khai. Yes or no? Yes. Next one, that is tumi. When we use tumi, in the meantime the verb word khawa, that turn into cow. And last one, that is she. In the meantime the verb word changes like that, khai. So khawa, that would be khai, cow, khai. In the same way, dear students, in English it changes. Let's learn something special. Here we can see word that is I, the another one that is we, you, he, she, they, and it. Dear students, do you know what is it? You know, these are called persons. Persons are three kinds: first person, second person, and third person. First person, that is I and we. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, they, it. So here, dear students, if I would like to introduce you the meaning, Bengali meaning of this, that like I, that would be ami, we, amra, you, tumi, you, tomra, he, she, she, they, tara, and last one, that is it, iha. So, dear students, if I tell like that, I, we, you, he, she, they, it, with me, just try it. I, we, you, he, she, they, it. With me once again. I, we, you, he, she, they, it. Okay, dear students. And with the Bengali meaning, just you remember that. I, ami, we, amra, you, tumi, you, tomra, he, she, they, tara, it, iha. Dear students, here we can see, just if you repeat with me like that, I, ami, we, amra, you, tumi, you, tomra, he, she, they, tara, it, iha. So that would be very better for you, and it will help you to speak English, to write English well. So dear students, let's try to use a verb with these persons. Okay, so here you can see the same thing, that is ate. Okay, so if I tell you in Bangla ami khai, what will be the English translation of it? I think you already guessed, that is I ate. Okay, if I tell amra khai, so what will be your answer? Of course, we ate, yes or no? Dear students, let's check the third one, that is if I tell you tumi khao, that would be you ate. Okay, so and then if I tell you topra khao, so that would be you ate. Okay, and then shekhai, that would be he ate. No, that would be he eats. Okay, and then if I use the subject shekhai, in the meantime that would be she eats. Okay, dear students, and then I would like to use they. So tara khai, what would be the answer? They ate. And the last one, that is iha khai, what would be the English? Yes, dear students, it eat or it eats. Yes, you can catch it, I think so. So that it eats. So here you can see I eat ami khai, we eat amra khai, you eat tumi khao, you eat tomra khao, he eats she khai, she eats she khai, they eat tara khai, it eats iha khai. So dear students, I think you observe the fact when we use he, she, it as a subject, in the meantime we use s with the persons. Here you can see the subject he, and just we use with verb, that is s. She eats and it eats. In the same way in Bangla you just observe that ami khai, the word that is khai is changed, khawa, the word khawa, that changes to khai, and tumi khawa, we don't tell we tumi khawa, we just tell tumi khao. In the same way in English, he, she, it, when we find these kinds of subject as a subject, in the meantime we use that. Okay, so dear students, here you can see the another thing, where do we use s or es. Just you remind that when you find after the verb word, first one, the condition is that you have to get this as a subject as he, she, or it. He, you can tell the name of male person, like me, Milon, like Rohim, like Korim, like that. Okay, so if you she, that is your sister's name, like a single name, like Rohima, like Shefali, this way. Okay, and it you just use pen, pencil, or book, like that. Okay, the single name. When you get these kinds of things as a subject, in the meantime after the verb you should use s or es. But where do we put, previous time I told you that where do we put es. So when you find after the verb word o, s, 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 i, c, i, x or z, in the meantime you should use es, and the other areas you just use s. So dear students, let's try the another verb word, that is go. So what will be your answer? With me, just you follow and you repeat with me. I go আমি যাই, we go আমরা যাই, you go তুমি যাও, you go তোমরা যাও, he goes সে যায়, she goes সে যায়, they go তারা যায়, it goes ইহা যায়. Dear students, I think you all catch it and practice it at home, and thanks for watching.